Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and welcome to today's 5-minute Friday. And it's a timely 5-minute Friday. So the sun is out, in fact it's been out and in and out of clouds, so we get to this time of year where it's not all that warm but plants start to grow. And often you've done pots last autumn, last summer, and maybe didn't do anything in the autumn to cut them back or prepare them for the coming year. So this is a perfect time to really sort them out, tidy them up, and you're going to get a better show the following, come this spring and summer. So how to do that? I've got a few here we've done in previous 5-minute Fridays that I just left to make a video this time, and some of these are dug boxes as well. So first off, look for weeds. It's a perfect time to look for weeds. Plants have often died down a little bit and you can see the weeds. So we've got a bit of grass there. Just literally pull it out, try and get the roots. Simple as that. Just like that. And take the weeds out. This one's been sitting near a tree, so you've got dead leaves. I might take some of those. A few more bits of grass. Then you can turn your attention to the plants. So this helianthemum here, I might not want it to be quite as, straggly is not the right word, but quite as big as this. So what I'm going to do is cut it back a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find on here some of the growth that's sprouting, and I'm just going to cut it back just above that. So take that much off. Now you can use that as a cutting, so you can get extra plants from that. And what I do is literally just keep on finding that and go to a similar sort of height. I'm saving those for cuttings. I'm just going to cut them back, and you work your way around the plant just like that and cut all of those down. This one trailing over here, you might choose to cut that back as well. I'm going to leave it because I like the trailing over. So it's really just a case of that. Sometimes you get, we haven't on this plant, sometimes you might get a few dead stems or something like that. You take that off as well. And something like this, pansies often come through the winter looking a bit like this. You have these sort of half dying leaves. Take those off, and of course you've had flowers through the autumn and winter, so we're just going to cut those back. Don't have to do this one with scissors, but I've got it here. So just take the dead flowers off and just deadhead them. It's also, eventually, you're going to get your daffodils. They're going to need deadheading, but not just yet. They're just coming through. So it's as simple as that. Just cut back a few plants, take off a few weeds and stuff like that. Sometimes it needs a bit of top dressing. You might have lost a little bit of compost or something like that. Or this one here, maybe you might want to plant a new plant in there as well. So easy as that. Do that. See you soon.